Got some genuine Honda exhaust hanger gaskets, rubbers, hangers. Here's the part number. I believe they're the same.
Yeah.
They are not the same. I cannot verify which goes to what. Yeah, they're not the same. This is one that would go under the tunnel, and this is one that hangs up the actual exhaust itself. So I had originally ordered this one. I ordered 2 of them. So I'm not sure where the confusion was, but you get that with parts at Honda dealerships or just dealerships in general. For those of you who care, $14. Yeah, another $14.
So no price difference, but there is a part number difference. All right. So we're doing this because if you look at this exhaust here,
kind of tweaked off to the left a little bit.
you can see it. Yep, you can see how it's hanging. It's not centered correctly, hanging there. And the reason why is one of the hangers is pretty stressed out, and the other one's completely gone. So let me show you guys down here real quick. Brayden will freaking point it out for you guys. But
So this one is completely torn.
Yeah, that one's shot, really not doing much.
That one is intact, and that's the only one that's holding the exhaust up, which is why it's sagging. This guy is the one. Now, these are kind of a pain. I don't exactly know what you'd call this. Maybe like a retainer.
Just a flare. It's just a flare out on it, so it holds it from slipping off. Just use some pliers, push it in as you're pushing the rubber out. And then the other side on a stock. Yeah. On a stock one, will also have that same nipple on the exhaust hanger since it's an aftermarket exhaust.
So
it doesn't have it.
This is the proper part number for the rear exhaust hangers, which will match that one over there.
And this is the one that we just took off, and it's pretty. Seen better days. So. If you don't have WD-40, it's kind of a pain to put on.
Yep.
I mean, even if you guys got a little bit of old used motor oil or something, just to get it on that guy there, and then it'll be easier for you to slip on.
And just touch my finger in some old used motor oil. Oh man, this is gonna suck.
Holy. You get the jack under it? You wanna get the jack under it?
Well, I have to.
Stuck a jack under it, it helps out a little bit. It's on now.
Simple enough.
All right,
release that jack.
This is what happens when you want to tighten everything before everything gets aligned. You guys want to get everything set up, put the hangers on, do all that, and then tighten it. That's it. Okay, stop. Hold on. Let me, so now, let me adjust it and get it where we want it. Just gonna.
Oh, it already looks better.
I'm just holding it for him as he tightens that down there.
All right, let's go. All right, my phone died. Went ahead and threw that other exhaust hanger on right here. So it's a little bit longer one that's technically supposed to go under the tunnel. Okay, after a long ordeal, we got it.
Somewhat close.
The shadow's kind of casting and making it look bad. It's definitely better than what it was. So what I did, I swapped that hanger for... Whoa.
Technical difficulties.
I swapped that hanger for that hanger, just like that. And it kind of helped tweak it just a little bit better.
Got it off the bumper at least.
And then we loosened those 2 bolts over there from the cat back and kind of tweaked it a little bit. And then we messed with that. I don't even know what that's called.
The flange.
It's not a flange. It's like a compression flange, I guess. Anyway, that fits way better. As opposed to what it was.
Off the bumper finally, dude.
Can't complain about that. That's so much better. But now I just got to do some talking this guy. So dumb. But yeah. Anyway, that's a wrap on that for now. See ya.